Lahat naman tayo tumira sa parents natin, di ba? So, syempre, as I grow old, ini-instill ng parents ko how to be independent. So, while I was studying, I was independent. While I was working on my first job, I was independent. And then, moving forward, mga 26, 27 years old, meron akong parang midlife crisis. Alam mo yon, ay malapit na ako mag-30 and I'm still living with my parents. Naisip ko, why not invest into something na magagamit ko sa sarili ko at makakatulong sa sarili ko? That's when I decided to invest for a pre-selling condo here in Mandaluyong. And then, there's Axis. Ito, cliche man, pero ito talaga yung love at first sight. When I saw the unit, I saw myself living on it. Tapos, ito yung pinaka-na-in-love ako. Because pasok sa budget, lahat ng hinahanap ko nandito. And I really felt yung dito ako titira for like 10 to 20 years. Well, in terms of convenience, sobrang nakatulong sa akin na nag-stay na ako dito sa Mandaluyong. Sobrang dali lang sa akin, going to the office. So parang na-maximize ko yung time na na-save ko commuting and driving in the traffic for me to do other things, which is food creation. My well-being, nakakapag-gym ako, nakapag-workout ako. I can do some of the house chores when I go home because I have saved time. And at the same time yun nga, nakagagawa ko yung food content ko at nakakaisip ako ng ibang creative concept. So parang talagang if in terms of convenience, sobrang convenient sa akin nitong condo na to. So feeling ko, what makes me comfortable here is its security and meron kang peace of mind that they're doing their job kahit wala ka sa condo mo.